waiting to be judged. And some people standing there waiting to be judged, they know the end. Let it happen, they say. Let it happen now. But the believers, the Prophet ﷺ said that their time would be half of that, but it will seem like part of a day. May Allah bless us to be part of that number. It's real. Allah is real. The hellfire is real. Jannah is real. Punishment in the grave is real. It's no joke. We ain't playing. This is real. We too busy. Why did you make prayer? I'm too busy. What you busy doing? I'm watching TV. I'm too tired to pray now. What are you doing? I'm on my internet. I'm on my smartphone. I'm on all of this. I can't pray now. What? I can't.